My name is Jan Ameri, and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer and Partner in the Arctic Startup. And I've been running Arctic 15 now for 5 years, or actually this year we promoted Taru to become the event director for Arctic 15. How do we get speakers? It's a lot of hard work. We start almost 1 year before and start contacting the top level people first. Gary was locked already more than a year ago for that because you have to put in his schedule in time. And then how we get in the partnership with Gary. I sent him a couple of emails, no answer of course. And then, okay, well, how am I gonna do this? So then I think of how does he operate. He's active in Twitter. So I put the offer on the subject line and then I tweeted to him, offer in your inbox. And 6 minutes later, here is one, let's talk after Christmas. And then it took 4 emails more to book a 15-minute meeting, a phone call. And then middle of the night, we're at the office waiting for phone call, and 3 minutes later, we have to reschedule. And then next week, again, we're midnight there, and then we have the call, and then again, reschedule. And then finally, 1 week later, we got the phone call with him, and then we presented our business to him, and he's okay, send me the deck, I'll think about it. 4 days later, he said, I will have to pass. Luckily, he put a reason there why. So when you get the reason why somebody says no, then if you're smart enough, you can find a way around the no. And then I said, we will talk about in Dublin. I was speaking the same conference than him, and then we shook hands on the deal there. Only one no, and then I told him later, hey, you were too easy. I was ready to take the second and third no and keep it going. You have to keep pushing people, especially bigger speakers, and then you have to have a big network. So it's also about building your own network. You have to go other events, meeting people, and asking your friends to help you, because you can't do it alone. You need friends to help you. We are very close to our maximum capacity, what we want to be, because it's small, but it's big enough that you can find enough relevant contacts for yourself. So I would say we're around 1,700 people, and I say 2,000 is the maximum. We don't want more, because the bigger you are, less effective it is.